Number 5. Do not speak ill of your exes, especially if you're just getting to know a guy. Do not speak negatively about your past relationships. Habitually bad-mouthing your exes in front of men who barely know you won't earn you their pity. It'll only earn you their repulsion. High-quality men pay enormous attention to the way a woman treats other men, or, in the case of exes, how she discusses her past experiences with other men. Even if you're not trashing your exes, it's still wise to be extra cautious as to what you say regarding your past relationships. If a guy barely knows you, he doesn't have enough invested in you to take your side as you explain to him all the ways the guys you used to date have wronged you. And because he doesn't know you well enough to quickly empathize with you, he's going to make snap judgments about you based on everything you tell him. The thing is, if you're just getting to know a guy and you reveal too much information about your unlucky dating past, he's going to wonder what it is about you exactly that attracts players, losers, time wasters, and one-night stands. He's also going to wonder if you have a problem accurately judging the men you come across. Or worse, assuming he believes that you attract what you deserve, he may conclude that you possess some character defect that draws defective men into your life. No man wants to think that, number 1, he might be defective since all you seem to attract are defective men, or 2, he's attracted a woman with more baggage than he can bear. Another thing to consider is how a guy may view your own level of self-awareness and responsibility. If you declare that most, if not all, of your exes were jerks and miscreants that mistreated you, it shows that you're more interested in receiving pity than taking responsibility. We all know those people who continuously get the bad breaks in life but never take responsibility for it. It's never their fault, and they're always the victims in every single scenario. Men with even an iota of sagacity will avoid getting into a relationship with a woman who insists that she's always the victim when it comes to her dating history. I think the classic saying is perfect advice for discussing your exes on dates with men you're getting to know. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. Number 6. Never risk your self-respect by trying to force a man to take an interest in you. It's better to disregard a man who displays a wavering interest than to lose both your dignity and sanity fighting for his attention. Do not fight, protest, struggle, complain, or nag a man whose desire and interest in you is obviously waning. It's not only making you appear less dignified to him and others who learn about it, but it will affect your self-esteem as well. Keep your dignity and do that which is the most difficult for most women. Cease to entertain him. Take away your attention and feminine affections. Stop entertaining his half-hearted communication attempts. You know what they look like. Turn your attention towards other, more insistent suitors. Seek the company of your friends and prioritize your own personal development. If he has any kind of real desire for you, he'll pull out all the stops to get you back. If he does nothing, the only thing you'll have lost is a man who wasn't right for you, as opposed to losing your dignity.